Find dy by dx if y is equal to 1 plus x square and so on, where mod of x is less than 1. अब अगर हम ये ऑब्जर्व करें, ये एक ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन है. बेसिकली ये एक इनफाइनाइट ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन है जिसका फर्स्ट टर्म है 1. देखिए, सो दिस इज एन इनफाइनाइट जीपी. It is an infinite GP with first term, that is a, is equal to 1, and common ratio अगर हम देखें, common ratio is x, और हमें दिया है that mod x is less than 1, यानी जो common ratio है वो less than 1 है. And we know that the sum of infinite terms, okay, in this case, that is s infinity, is given by a upon 1 minus r. So therefore we could say y is equal to, अब a है 1 upon 1 minus r की वैल्यू है x. So basically y is equal to 1 upon x. अब इसका हम डेरिवेटिव लेते हैं. अब यहाँ पर हम चेन रूल यूज करेंगे. Now we know that derivative of 1 upon f of x is minus 1 upon f of x the whole square into derivative of f of x. So 1 by fx का डेरिवेटिव है minus 1 by fx का square into derivative of fx. So applying the chain rule, we have, so differentiating with respect to x, we get, ये आएगा dy by dx is equal to, अब ये जो है ये हमारा फंक्शन है fx. तो सिंपली चेन रूल यूज करते हैं. तो ये आएगा minus 1 upon 1 minus x का स्क्वायर into derivative of 1 minus x. So further we have negative 1 upon 1 minus x square into 1 का डेरिवेटिव 0 minus x का डेरिवेटिव 1. So further we get minus 1 upon 1 minus x the whole square into, अब 0 minus 1, ये आएगा minus 1. So हमारा फाइनल आंसर आएगा, ये minus 1 into minus 1, that's positive 1. So 1 upon 1 minus x the whole square. So this is dy by dx. Find dy by dx if y is equal to 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c. Now this is of the form 1 upon fx, and 1 upon f of x का डेरिवेटिव होता है minus 1 upon f of x the whole square into derivative of f of x, यानी f prime x या f dash x. तो यहाँ पर बेसिकली हमें चेन रूल यूज करना है. ये हमारा फंक्शन है f of x. So 1 upon f of x का डेरिवेटिव होता है minus 1 upon f of x the whole square into derivative of f of x. So let us apply the chain rule. So differentiating with respect to x, we get, अभी आएगा dy by dx is equal to, इसका डेरिवेटिव लेते हैं. So minus 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c the whole square. ये आ गया हमारा ये वाला पार्ट, minus 1 upon f of x का स्क्वायर into derivative of f of x, यानी derivative of ax square plus bx plus c. So further ये तो as it is रहेगा minus 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c the whole square into, अब ये तीन टर्म्स का डेरिवेटिव, a तो कोएफिशिएंट है, x स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव होता है 2x. सो ये आ जाएगा 2ax plus b times derivative of x is 1, so b into 1, that is b. c constant है तो उसका derivative 0, so we close the bracket. So finally we have, ये अगर multiply करते हैं हो जाएगा minus 2ax plus b divided by ax square plus bx plus c the whole square. So this is dy by dx. Find dy by dx if y is equal to ax plus b raised to n times cx plus d raised to m. यहाँ पे हम product rule use करेंगे. So differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to, product rule use करते हैं, so first term into derivative of second term, that is cx plus d raised to m, plus second term into derivative of first term, यानी cx plus d raised to m into derivative of ax plus b raised to n. अब ये ब्रैकेट हम ऐसे ही रखेंगे, that is ax plus b raised to n. अब यहाँ पर हम chain rule use करेंगे. This is fx raised to n form, and we know that derivative of fx raised to n, अगर इसका chain rule use करते हैं तो ये हो जाता है n times fx raised to n minus 1 into derivative of fx. तो chain rule use करेंगे इस part पर, तो ये आएगा m into cx plus d raised to m minus 1 into derivative of cx plus d. अब आगे ये वाला part plus cx plus d raised to m. यहाँ पर भी chain rule use होगा fx raised to n का, so n into ax plus b raised to n minus 1 into derivative of ax plus b. Further ये सब as it is रहेगा, so we have m into ax plus b raised to n into cx plus d raised to m minus 1 into, अब ये दो टर्म्स का डेरिवेटिव, c कोएफिशिएंट है, x का डेरिवेटिव 1, तो c इंटू 1 ये हो जाएगा c, d कांस्टेंट है तो उसका डेरिवेटिव हो जाएगा 0, प्लस अगेन ये तीन टर्म्स एज इट इज, सो n इंटू cx plus d raised to m into ax plus b raised to n minus 1 into ये दो टर्म्स का डेरिवेटिव, a is the coefficient, x का डेरिवेटिव होता है 1, so a into 1 that is a, और b कांस्टेंट है तो उसका डेरिवेटिव होगा 0. तो ये हम और ऐसे सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं, m into c, so this could be written as cm into ax plus b raised to n into cx plus d raised to m minus 1 plus ये n into a, ये हो जाएगा an into cx plus d raised to m into ax plus b raised to n minus 1. So this is dy by dx.